Hello learners, welcome to TechUGate classes. Through our Let's Crack the Gate initiative, we are providing India's first 100% free complete gate course. This side, Ankita Chandrakar, and you can read my bio on the screen. So for this video, we are going to discuss about the reference books of electrical engineering for gate preparation. So let's get started. So the first subject which we are going to discuss is network theory, a very important basic subject for all electrical and electronics engineers. So the book which you should start practicing is Circuit Theory, Analysis and Synthesis by Abhijit Chakravarti. So when you're starting reading networks, you should start with this book. Try to learn the concepts, solve the numericals, and then gradually you should move to solving towards fundamentals of electrical circuits by Alexander and Sadiko. So this Alexander and Sadiko book has some great brainstorming numericals. So if you're preparing network theory for GATE or any other competitive exam, this is a must recommended book. So I highly recommend this book. So you should definitely solve the questions of this book. Then other than this, you can refer to Network Analysis by Van Valkenburg, and also you can refer to Engineering Circuit Analysis by William H. Hyatt. Now coming to the next subject, another basic subject, that is Signal and System. So for Signal and System, the best book is Oppenheim. So the difficulty students face in studying this book is the level of the book, as it is a foreign author. So students find it difficult to grab the concepts over here. So I would suggest you to start initially with some videos. Like in TechUGate classes, Signal and System course is already finished. So you just start referring that videos, complete that course once, and then for again building your concepts more stronger, you can go for this book. And if you ask me for an Indian author book of Signal and System, then I would suggest you this book, that is Principle of Signal Processing and Linear Systems by B.P. Lathi. So the language of book would of this would be understandable to most of the students. So next, will be discussing for control system. So for control system, when you're starting this particular subject, so when you're starting with the very basics, then you can follow Nagrath and Gopal, and then you can also follow B.S. Manke. This books are having great concepts. Then gradually, when you advance with, when you want to advance with the concepts, then you should follow Automatic Control Systems by Benjamin C. Kuo. So in this book, the feedback system has been beautifully described. Also, for control systems, you can follow Modern Control Engineering by Ogata. This book has been followed since ages. Now coming to the core electrical, that is electrical machine subject. So for electrical machines, we have two books from P.S. Bhimra. The first one is Electrical Machinery, and the second one is Generalized Theory of Electrical Machines. So there are some topics in this one and some topics in the other one. So both books are equally important. Then you can also refer Electrical Machines by Nagrath and Kothari. And if you need to start by very fundamental things, then I would suggest you to go by Electrical Machinery Fundamentals by Chapman to clear your basics. Now next, coming to power systems. For power systems, C.L. Vadva, Electrical Power System by C.L. Vadva is a very good book in which your semester syllabus along with your GATE and other competition exam syllabus, everything is full-fledgedly covered. Along with this, for reference, you can follow Power System Engineering by Nagrath and Kothari. And then also you can go through this book of Power System Analysis by Stevenson. These two books are also very good for power system. Coming to power electronics. So for power electronics, again, there is P.S. Bhimra. So the issue with P.S. Bhimra is there are some minor mistakes in the book. So I would recommend you to follow Power Electronics by Mohammad H. Rashid. This is a very good book. Also, you can follow Singh and Khanchandani if you want to study rectifier and their waveforms in a detailed manner. Now coming to analog electronics. For analog electronics, there is a book by Millman. And then there is a book named Electronic Circuits Analysis and Design by Donald and Nieman. So this Nieman book is a must recommended book for analog electronics. It has some very good defined concepts in this book. So you should definitely build your concepts to this book. And then I would suggest you for the electronic students, you can also go to this book, that is Electronic Devices and Circuit Theory by Bolstead. So this is a good book too. Now coming to digital electronics, for digital electronics, if you need to start with some very basic concepts by some Indian author book, so I would suggest you to go with Fundamentals of Digital Circuit by Anand Kumar, and then gradually build up your concept by Digital Logic and Computer Design by Maurice Malloy. Then for measurements, there is one book for electrical and electronics measurement, that is by A.K. Shavni. So I would suggest that this book is actually of more than 1,000 pages. So I think that no student would ever read this whole book. And if you're particularly focusing on the GATE syllabus, then what all is mentioned in the GATE syllabus, looking into it and just focusing on those concepts in the book and making your self notes is very important for preparation of the subject, because this complete book cannot be read by an individual as a whole. So if you're focusing for the GATE preparation, we should focus on that particular topics, and we should try to make notes out of it. So this follows for every subject. So whatever subject we are studying, we need to make some proper notes. We need to jot down notes for it, so that when we are revising it, it would be better for us to understand. So now coming to the electromagnetic theory, one of the most toughest subject for electrical and electronics engineering. So the basics of this subject is basically the 12th class physics. So if you want to revise that physics, if you want to grab the basic concept, then you should start with Elements of Electromagnetic Fields by SPC. So you need to start with this book, and then gradually you can move to solving towards Engineering Electromagnets by Hayat and Buck. Also, there is one more book, that is Principles of Electromagnetics by Sadiko and Kulkarni. So you can follow this book also for electromagnetic theory. So this is it for the reference book. So you can follow us in our various social media handles, which are mentioned on the screen. So thank you for listening. Happy learning.